Yeah, Taj is correct. The 15 and the 30. It's the same one damn near though, so whichever one you want to pull it up on.
Also, it is FOMC day. That doesn't mean that you guys need to go crazy with your sizing. Usually with these kinds of weeks in the day of, it's a little bit choppier. There's not much follow through. The market's kind of just waiting. I can't say it happens like that every Wednesday, but for the general consensus, that's what usually does happen. So take it easy. Don't force things. Let the setups come to you, and just size appropriately.
Since
FOMC
we
is until 2 p.m. as well, so I expect some
Good
action to
morning. Good
happen within
morning.
like the first 30 minutes to an hour, and after that, just choppiness till
Morning
then.
stream.
So
Not gonna lie, I like Nvidia that shows clear weakness at that 114.80.
yeah, I wrote that down as well. I like that. Me
Yeah,
personally, since 708 broke, and we have that trend at 15 and the 30, I probably will go in lighter. And since we are early candle, so
Alright, so let me ask you guys a question.
hmm.
If Netflix just goes straight up, what are you doing? Just sitting on your hands?
yeah, I'm not touching
Yeah.
it.
Mhm.
I'm not.
Alright,
I
that's what
wouldn't
I like
mind
to
seeing a
hear.
706.50 bounce. If we do there, go from red to green, maybe. But
I wouldn't take a red to green candle. I would wait for the candle to actually get close to 710 first. If we were to go red to green. Does that make sense, George and Benji?
yeah,
Yeah.
I
Like
don't.
giving it a second on the red to green.
Yeah, to make sure it's actually pushing through and it's not just a fake out.
The red to green and some time.
Yeah.
Devo, Tesla. I'm good on Tesla till 235
No,
personally.
what you got?
I wrote trade ideas, but I'm looking at Meta and Netflix.
Okay.
Meta pulled back, so it's gonna be Netflix off the open here.
You got the 715s as well,
No, who has the 715s?
Frank.
I do.
No.
You got the 720s?
Yeah, it has to be because it spreads.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I got also.
Open interest between the two is 1,400. 715s 1,000. 720s is 2.4 thousand. So
And it's still Wednesday, so
yeah, but like the point is like the spread is already wide, and open interest is where you're gonna find that liquidity to get the tightest spreads possible.
here we go. 20 seconds. Be patient. Don't try to go millionaire status on this first candle.
You got a pullback, right?
Yeah, it's at like
Still
708.
right there. Where's your alert?
Mine's at 709.60.
Yeah, mine's there. 709.50, either or.
If we, George, if we go red to green into 709, I'll take it at 709.
Same.
Dollar
But
spread at the moment.
What do you say? Yeah. It's getting tighter.
Tesla's pushing. It's still far from where I want it.
Wait, what's a dollar away?
No, I said Tesla's pushing, but it's still far from where we want it.
Oh,
This is good. This is good. I didn't want to take Netflix there.
shit,
I don't
me
think any
either.
of us wanted to take it at the open.
You'd be surprised some of these herbs here.
Happy that's not off the open.
Bungaroo. Yeah, 702 bounce, but it's bouncing right with ES at 5,700. So
First close above 700 ever. Yesterday.
This is giving us some time though with the contracts, get some volume.
Yep. The 720s are already at what is it? 100. Spreads is about 20 cents ish.
Buys just dumping right here. Tesla's holding up really well against SPY.
So I've adjusted my alert on Netflix. It's 7:09:20 currently. Tesla with the fucking U-turn. Wow. Holy.
Whoever was asking about Tesla, again, no disrespect, but that's why.
Apple's still pushing, trying to fill that entire gap.
Yeah, Apple at 218 would have been bad at all at the open.
Meta's quickly recovering here, Nor.
Yeah, I see it.
I might have to switch to that.
Think so?
It's at 540 almost. Still got $2.
Alright, if it gets to 540, I'll switch, you know. It's gonna force my hand.
Yeah, Tesla cooked, man. That's what I be trying to tell you.
I think that guy said he caught it too. I think he just played
That's
the
cool if
opening
you caught a
candle.
quick scout, but like on a day like today, you gotta be picky, bro.
Yeah.
And then that means you caught a straight up candle on the first minute. Yeah, I'm not. There's no way. Just trying here. Is there any
And I
trade
guess
on
we gotta switch the meta, huh?
There's
I
no
feel like-
trend.
that time?
There's no trends on this, right?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, that's what I'm
I
looking at
sent
right
it
now.
in the trade ideas.
I see one on the
only
1
has room
hour.
to 544 and some change.
Yeah.
It's just annoying.
Yeah,
that
that
what-
1 hour is pretty valid.
Yeah, 544. We got time though. I don't mind sitting cash until FOMC. Look at that.
Are you gonna be around for that?
I'm gonna come back, yeah.
Okay.
Nvidia could come down quickly to that 114.80 area too.
Oh, I forgot about that. Still far though. It's not weak enough.
Yeah, look at Tesla. Jeez.
Bro, I'm not touching this. This range here on Tesla is insane.
Yeah, that's.
No, I'm not touching that either.
Goodbye to Microsoft.
Still
That was
holding
a play
700,
for the
right?
day.
Yeah. Shit, that was it.
Yeah, there wasn't much going on.
No. It doesn't look like ES wants to maintain hold a 5700 here.
Nvidia is like 40 cents away, George.
40? Where'd you like that at?
114.80.
Really? Where are we at on that?
I think I'm good on that, Benji. I don't think I like that yet. It's not weak enough.
I would play that 114.50.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that. I'll take it there.
The
Apple's
50
coming.
cent.
Apple's coming back already too.
To the upside?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we know what Frankie has pulled up.
Nah, I'm just talking. Nah, I'm not taking
I'm
Apple.
just messing.
Screw that. The only time I trade Apple is if Nor likes Apple.
When do I ever like Apple?
Exactly.
See, that bounce is way more aggressive than I want to be part of. On it.
Yeah. Yeah.
114, 115. If this shows weakness ahead of the market, I will probably take a half position at 114.80, and then the other half at 114.50.
On the video.
Yeah.
It just it's like a nice flat bottom at that area. That's the only reason I liked it.
Yeah. So
I'm watching the 114 puts though. Buying, well, I was reading it out loud, but I'm looking to buy the 114 puts.
there's a trend right there at 96 cents.
Yeah, I'm waiting till 80 cents. The earliest entry for that would be 85. Let me actually set a freaking alert. Hold up. I'm looking to do half position there though, and then half at 50.
There's a 5-minute trend right at that 85.
Perfect. Look at that bounce.
So much for Netflix.
Yo, I'm in. Nvidia 114 puts. Half position, guys, and I'm gonna look to add at 114.50.
Market's still dropping at the same time, so just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
NQ seems to be weaker than ES here.
So I have a half position in the 114 puts. Remember, it is FOMC day, so lighter positions than usual already. Now I'm doing a half. But I'm going to look to add if we can get down to 114.50 aggressively.
I'm mad with you there.
Whoa.
Following NQ.
Mm-hmm. That's what I was gonna
ES
No,
is
say.
trying to
NQ
hold though.
Oh, wait. No, NQ bounced.
It's
Now,
bouncing now.
yeah, it's like in between those. Yeah, sure. I still think this is weak.
What's your stop on this? 115? A hold above 115?
Yeah, probably around 115.18,
Okay.
115.20.
They don't want it to get above here, above that trend.
This is with the market bouncing here.
Yeah,
This is
market
where we
is
really will
bouncing
see it.
aggressively. Very nice there. If this can pull back a little bit more, that would be great. Under 70 here, I think we got it in the bag.
It just went red
There we
way
go.
before NQ.
Yeah, exactly. I'm looking to add, guys. If you want to just keep it simple and chill, don't keep the half position. You can walk away from this trade too, if you want. These contracts are moving fairly quickly though. Red to green.
NQ did the same thing, so
Yeah, look how big this candle on SPY is, guys. Wow. Holy. I'm going to walk away here, most likely. Giving it a second, and then I'm out of this trade.
And I stopped out on that.
You stopped out, George?
Yeah.
same here.
It was less than 10%.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think I was up 800 at peak right there.
Really?
So, well, I got in at 115.10, and then I added more with Nor on the first one.
Oh, I was about to say you
A
added
little
more
small
with me.
loss to start today. Nothing we can't fix.
Half position, less than 10%. I take it. Nothing wrong with that.
You can see my fills there, George.
Oh, you took the 115s?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. For me, my stop loss there was anything above 115. So
Apple's the only thing, bro, but I didn't like Apple. Look decent though, the upside. You took Apple bank?
who'd you ask who took Apple?
Bank, I think.
Oh, got you.
No, I'm not in. I said my stop loss. I said 18 to 20 cents on Nvidia. I lost about 7% on that. If I do the math, one sec. But yeah, 6-7% there. So which is really a 3.5% loss. On a full position. That's nothing. Not even a full position. If it comes back to
Netflix.
I'm not trying it again, no.
Me neither. Yeah, it's moving exactly within Q.
Mm-hmm.
The most I'm gonna give this market is probably till 10:30.
That's steep.
No. What?
That's steep for me.
What were you thinking? Like 10?
Yeah, closer to
Yeah.
10, 15.
Yeah, 10, 15 be the same for me.
Just because how meta.
No.
Go ahead. Sorry.
You coming back or no?
Maybe I have a vet appointment for my cat at 1, so I'm not sure. It should be pretty quick. But I'm
You
not
coming
sure if
back?
I'll be here at 2.
I'll try. I have to look at a house at 12:45, so.
I will be on the mic whenever I do come back, though, even if it's post 2, or I'll be around to see if there's anything.
The stock
Yeah,
hours
same.
headquarters I'm looking at. I'm gonna have a trading house.
Jordan's in love with SMCI.
Yo.
Yeah, at least he's making money on it. That's
Bro,
funny.
that shit is ripping.
I always see him trade that now.
Look at that.
Nothing else.
Another Jose or what?
Seems like it, yeah. Let's see this. Oh wow, yeah.
There's a trend on the 15.
Yeah. So it's breaking close to a flat top right now.
Yeah,
Like this
George.
trend line. So I'll watch it. I'm not trading it though. When was the last time we traded this? Probably when it
Wow,
broke
for me.
400, right?
Yeah, it's been a while for me.
Yeah, same here. Probably like a week, maybe more.
Actually, I think I scalped it for only like 500 on Friday.
You might have. Yeah, I think I remember you mentioning something about that. Yeah.
Stream, what's everybody watching?
See, the upside, I didn't have anything to like 470. If
So like
that.
I was mentioning this morning, guys, even for all the free people who have joined who weren't here, we kind of expected this. It's FOMC day. Market tends to be a little bit choppy or slower. Doesn't know what it wants to do. nothing wrong with that, right? So
Apple and SMCI are the strong ones, huh?
what'd you say, Nor? Sorry.
I said Apple and SMCI are both the strong one.
Yeah.
Is there anything moving?
No, 0. Someone said Microsoft's falling. It is, but I really don't have anything for this. Nor do I want to trade Microsoft.
What's funny is I was actually just watching and it slipped too fast.
You were actually looking to play it?
Yeah.
What, the 532 break? Like that 532.20?
Consolidation break to the downside and it's weaker. All the red candles come before the morning. I would play SMCI.
I was gonna mention, I was gonna bring it up if you guys would be opposed to trying that 460 area.
Yeah, I would.
I wouldn't wild out on it, obviously, but it doesn't look bad for what we currently have in the market. George, would you be interested at all or not?
I've been talking like a buffoon. I've been on mute.
I was wondering that.
I was gonna say, yeah, I'll try it with y'all. As long as it still has its strength. 500 looks like the only valid ones with anything over, unless you do the 460s.
I was gonna say the 460s don't look bad.
How expensive
The
are they?
spread is actually, yeah, it's expensive, and the spread is tight. Which ones you doing, Nor? The 460s?
I'm gonna look right now.
I feel like the only valid ones are 460s or 500s.
475s are picking up a little bit, but I don't know. The 500s are way too cheap for me if I'm looking for a sharp move. Because I don't want to hold this trade out and the contracts start to lose value.
Yeah, 475s actually have a decent spread.
Yeah.
So it would be well, I'm playing the 460s, but 475 is an area you could play. For the contracts you can play.
60s also with you. Size accordingly, ladies and gents. I just don't like where ES is at, man. This 5700 is annoying.
Look at these wicks, brother.
JT, yeah, Tesla could be ripping, but we're not really interested on that now until really 235.
Jose said, "Y'all see the 15-minute trend? Yeah, that's the reason we want to play 460." I think that's the only reason we want to play 460, actually.
Yeah.
The 1 hour trend is at 469.50.
On this, Frank?
What's up?
What are your targets on this?
I'm honestly probably just gonna look for like maybe 461. maybe 462. I don't want to look for too much on this. So, even though we are breaking a trend, I think I'm gonna just look for 461 or 462 ish.
Ah, gotcha. Coming up here now, ahead of ES.
All right, so you can either look at the 475 calls or 460. I'm gonna play the 460s because I like more expensive contracts. I don't have to buy that many. But yeah, either or is fine.
I'm not sure what your guys' stop on this is. Mine's gonna be $1 on the contract. So whatever I fill out, it's gonna be $1 below that.
Mine's gonna be at 455.50. 455.50 is my stop. My entry's gonna be at 459.30.
Alert at here.
459.
He's at 4.
30.
Yeah, 459.30.
Remember, I'm looking at the 460 calls, but 475s are fine. I'm in. Should be a new high. Yeah, there it goes.
460 touched.
It touched right here. Just rejected again. You're supposed to get these rejections. That means the break is going to be a lot better.
Just broke.
Yeah, there it goes. Wow. Look at our contracts. 1350. All right.
I tried selling limit. I didn't get it. I just had to flatten.
Still in. Did you get out, Nor?
No, I was trying to sell half there. Didn't get it, but
I'm gonna try to sell half as well once we.
I was literally about to say selling half, and I didn't get it in time. I was typing out my contracts, but it's all right. Here we go.
Back.
New high.
Look at the ask.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is good. Oh my God! Wow, $14 a contract.
You selling half here on this break, or you already did?
No, I'm gonna sell in a second here. But if you don't play SMCI and you don't know what it comes with, do not cry about it. Get out. That's because Frankie's able to take the risk and hold, or George is able, or I'm able. That doesn't mean you take the risk and hold.
Definitely is fighting that 15-minute for sure.
Market's also like dropping like cupcakes right now. So I still think we're good as long as we hold this. I really like how the ask is holding and the bid is holding above 459. So if we can get a bounce in the market, at least not drop as hard, I think we're good. Contract's still doing well.
I will reiterate, this is SMCI, don't be stupid.
Yeah, if you're stupid, then I can't help you, brother. There's only so much I can do. Wow, this is sexy. Get ready, George. We're going to sell half on this, right?
Yeah.
I would love to just sell a third, but the way this week is going in FOMC, I don't even want to take that chance.
Like that there. What's yours? I think I have my stop at 457. I'm not sure where you have yours at.
I mean, I have mine currently at 455. I have an alert at 455.70. Still, it's kind of steep for you guys, but you're out, Frankie.
Yeah. I messed up the sell.
Where did you sell at?
I tried selling limit. I would have made 500, but only ended up selling for half of that. So.
You got greedy?
Yeah, I tried selling limit. Yeah. I was trying to finesse the sell.
SMCI.
What the hell, Benji?
$1,000.
Yes, sir.
All right, buddy, we get it.
All right, sorry, boss.
Yeah, didn't mean to. Interrupt your day, buddy.
Next 4 minutes are gonna show a lot here.
I don't know. After SMCI, I really don't have anything, honestly.
You're still in, right? No, or not?
Yeah, but my alert is right there soon, so more than likely gonna hit my stop. It's just the type of week we're in.
And Q and ES are not gonna let this play. Still holding though.
It is, but for how long, bro? Wow.
We go below 455. That's what I'm probably gonna use that now as a hard stop.
I'm really just watching the ask there. I'm literally just watching my number hit on the ask. If it hits on the ask, then I'm just gonna get out. Bank Man City about to hold for 3 hours. Nah. Stop loss or target should hit very soon. If this did come up without the market here, I am not gonna sell on the 461 break. I'm most likely just gonna hold, or even only just sell a third instead of a half.
I would love to see this close above here. The trend, we got a minute.
The stock spread is disrespectfully tight. That's insane. You never see that. Look at this.
This candle needs to close above 459 or 460.
I'm green.
Yeah, I'm break even.
I'm green. Okay. All right, let's
I
get
might
a
hold
bounce
with
in
you
the
here.
market, and this could be nasty. We're already moving without the market. There we go. Bounce in the market. Where's the ask here? 460 or not yet? No.
No, not yet. It got there, but the bid never got above.
All right.
Another rejection there. 12 seconds. Fuck. 12 seconds here on this 15-minute candle.
Five seconds.
I will say the contracts did get back up there, Zaid.
You said
They
what?
hit. One of the students said the contracts did not come back up, and they definitely did.
No, they did. I was green.
Yeah. I was watching them hit 1350. I'll send you the option chart, Zaid, so you can see for yourself.
Getting ready to stop here, Nor.
Yes, sir. Finger on the sell. I'm using, remember, the ask as my price point. If I see my price on the ask amount.
455.70, right?
Well, yeah, well, 455.50. 455.70 is like me being like very careful. You could also send alert based on the ask.
That needs to happen soon.
Big red candle on the market. Still holding up on the bid, surprisingly.
Yeah, finger on the trigger here.
Yep.
Every time the ask got below 456, they pushed it up.
Yeah, never touch 455.50. Yo, if the market stays like this till 2, it's just gonna these contracts just gonna get more juicy and juicy. Till then, IV is so low. There it goes, George.
Yep, all good. Ha.
Do you guys ever trade power hour when there's news? I'm usually around my computer all day because I have the luxury of being able to do that. It's usually just me following my trading plan. So whatever's coming up or whatever I have been waiting for, if it comes and has the right market conditions, then I'll trade it. Did I sell in the first pop? I tried to, didn't get the right sell. Got greedy trying to sell a limit, and then after that, I just had to fly on the order.
You got anything, Frankie? Apple, wow. Frank, you watching Apple?
What's up? Sorry.
You watching Apple?
Apple. Nah, not really.
Which application I use? Moo. No, I'm not out yet.
Why are SMCI contracts so expensive? Because of the predicted move it can make.
Wait, out of what? Oh, stop asking dumbass questions. I thought he meant out like out as in like leave for the day. The stop was 4:55.54 on the ask. Please, bro. I thought you meant you out as in like you're leaving.
Meta looks super strong. The problem with that, Amen, is just it's not. It's still $5 away. There's nothing we can do with it. Sure, it may be consolidating right now and against the market, but you have to remember it's FOMC day. That's what we kind of expect out of all these stocks. Not saying that you're wrong or anything, and that it's good. It's good eyeing that kind of stuff, but you have to remember the other catalysts that we have going on with that. And that with that specifically, it's FOMC day, so everything's expected to be choppy. So. Yeah, it's gonna be like that this entire week, man. So tomorrow it should be a little bit better, and then Friday's a hit or miss, honestly, with FOMC weeks. It could be the same as today, but who knows, right? I can't predict the market for you guys. If I could, I say it every time, we'd all be millionaires, but here we are.
You said millionaires?
Sorry, billionaires.
This guy right here.
If I could predict the market. Nvidia again, I'm good off of that. So.
I mean, having a red day on Wednesdays it's not because we have a free day. It's literally the only day of the week where like the action actually sucks. Not because there is a free day though.
Yeah, we just joke around about that one.
Yeah.
But if they cut interest rates, wouldn't that help us? As far as the market wise, I was mentioning yesterday in the lesson last night, I'm not too familiar with economics, so I'm not sure how that affects the market. Obviously, that would help people in general, but I'm not sure how that would affect the market. Yeah, I'm looking around. I don't see anything right now. It's literally everything's dead. So
Apple.
I'm looking at it. Not for me. How much more of a gap does this have left? 219, like $2-3 left on it. I'll watch it, but I won't trade it. $220 break for Apple. No, I'm good. I understand why you would probably look at that because of how strong it is, but with a day like today, I want to stick to my trading plan at this point. Didn't have Nvidia or SMCI part of it. That's why I took both trades super light. That's why you guys see like less than $400 of each trade. So, and Apple would be another one. And on FOMC day, that usually tends to burn me if I go against my plan. So I'm gonna just watch it, observe, and then by 2 p.m., depending on however the news affects the market, if it whole market pushes up, which in turn causes Meta to come up or even Tesla to have a big move up and it meets the levels that I want to trade them at, then I'll trade them. But for the meantime, I'm just going to sit cash now. Not sit cash, but sit on my hands. So
The gap on Apple's still 221.70. One year. I'm looking at the 220 calls on Apple. Still falling.
I'll have a tight stop on this if it doesn't.
Mine's gonna be break even.
5,700, bro, on the edge, bro.
I tried to come back.
It's the only issue there.
Apple hasn't been moving with the market. It's like it's part of the India market or something. What was my target on Nvidia? 114. At a half position, I was gonna look to add at 114.50 at that time.
Apple gets below 219.50, I'm walking away.
Yeah, me too.
No price acceptance below 50. They bought it up quick. Never got in, Hapsu. Still waiting here. Get momentum the next test, and I'll take it.
All right, stream. We'll probably be back up at 2 p.m. For FOMC, most likely. That's pretty much a wrap, I think.